In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a Steam API key. If you're developing an application, working with Steam integrations, or need access to Steam's web services, obtaining an API key is an important first step. The process is straightforward, and by following along, you'll have your API key ready in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If it's not already running, launch it from your desktop shortcut or search for it using your operating system's application menu. Once Steam is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the Sign In button if you're not already logged into your account. When the login page appears, enter your account name and password carefully. Since passwords are case-sensitive, it's always worth taking a quick moment to verify that everything has been entered correctly before proceeding. Once you're ready, click Sign In to access your Steam account. After a successful login, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage, where you can access your library, the store, and community features. From here, click on the Community tab located near the top of the Steam window. This section contains forums, guides, screenshots, artwork, and other community-related features. Once the community page has loaded, you'll need to navigate to Steam's Developer API page. In your browser's address bar, enter the Steam Web API key page address by navigating to the Steam Community Developer API section, then load the page. This will take you directly to the area where Steam allows eligible accounts to request an API key. Once you're on the API registration page, Steam will present you with a few prompts that you'll need to complete before a key can be generated. Depending on your intended use, this may include providing a domain name and agreeing to the required terms. Take your time to read each prompt carefully and enter accurate information where requested. Completing these fields correctly helps ensure that your API key is generated without any issues. After you've finished the required prompts, Steam will generate your unique API key. This key allows your applications or development projects to communicate with Steam's web services, making it an essential part of many Steam-based integrations. Because your API key is linked to your Steam account, it's important to keep it private and secure. Avoid sharing it publicly or including it in places where others could access it, as it can be used to make requests on behalf of your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully generated your Steam API key and are ready to begin using Steam's developer services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped make the process simple and easy to follow. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.